Hey guys, what's up? It's Kona here. It's Kona Ninja. I'm just out in my apartment complex. I'm eating some fruit snacks. Oh, fruit snacks. Here we go. Fruit snacks. That's good. Look at this sunset, my guy. Look at that. Oh my God. I wanted to go outside more. This is beautiful. If you're seeing this video, please like for this awesome sunset. That's the most amazing sunset I've ever seen. And we got the cars right here, probably looking at me. They should be looking at this. This is amazing. Oh my God. I've never seen a sunset like this. Yeah, so hope you guys like this. I'll see you later. Maybe in my next video. Bye-bye.